Hello everyone. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle in today's newspaper of Tuesday, April the 19th, 2022. We have here in this additional 9 puzzles. Not all the 9 puzzles I will solve, only half of them I will solve. 5 puzzles. The first one I have solved, the 3-star Sudoku. The 4-star Sudoku I have already solved. And the binary I have solved, so 2 puzzles are left. The killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku mix, and the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see, but this will be the number 4431. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Well, could be a hard one, could be an easy one. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. Can we see here dual boxes? Yeah, I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here also, a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. But it cannot be a 5 anymore because we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. Triple box, then do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes with 4 boxes? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Yeah, we have a T shape here, upside down. Let me draw this here. All right. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay, here another T shape or T figure. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. 2 T shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw this shape here. Alright, here we have that shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2. We have only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the final shape, how about this shape, the L shape? Let me draw this here. Okay, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. only 4 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Out of 6, because the maximum are 6 shapes or figures that you need to recognize, but we have only 4 of them in this puzzle. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes, because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes, these 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4. It goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes surround 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And that box is also connected with this box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. That means that those 2 boxes. Wait. Let me start with the 2 first. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. And that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be a 4. But also that box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can also not be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 2 and a 5. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And I've eliminated a 4. So the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Then let me see. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. Because if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 4. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. That means we need a 5 in this T-shaped area. This box can be 5, but also that box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, okay. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. The 2 and the 3. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 4, but okay. Let me think. This box cannot be a. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 4 and 3. Okay. But we need also 4 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area. For the number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Finished in 15 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no publisher. 3 stars, no publisher. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.